In today's digital world, every click opens a door. A door to endless possibilities and unseen threats. Every 39 seconds, cyber attack strikes. But what if you could stop it? Introducing Mastering Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking from Zero to Hero with AI-powered tools, a comprehensive journey to become a cybersecurity expert. Learn how to protect against hackers, master ethical hacking techniques, harness the power of AI in cybersecurity, defend network with advanced strategies, and so much more. Gain practical experience with real-world projects. Develop an AI hacking tool. Perform packet analysis and encryption. Build an AI-powered event log analyzer. Imagine being the one who safeguards vital information, who keeps networks secure, who makes a real difference. Whether you're starting out or advancing your career, this course is your gateway to become a cybersecurity hero. Don't just watch cyber threats evolve, outpace them. Join Mastering Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking today. Your journey starts now. Make the digital world a safer place with you leading the way.